Hello, good day, grade 2 students. I am your teacher, Raya, and for today, I will teach you Mathematics 2. Please bring out your Mathematics book 2A. Okay, so our topic today is all about math symbols used in comparing numbers. So last time, we have learned comparing and ordering numbers, right? Let's have a review. So you are going to find the smallest and the greatest number. Okay. If the grapes is 225 baht and the kiwi fruit is 120 baht, and we have fish fillet, which is 180 baht. Okay, what do you think here is the cheapest? Okay, so if you are going to compare these three numbers, we have 120 baht, 225 baht, and 180 baht. Which is the biggest number? Or which is the greatest number? Okay, so please arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Which is the biggest number? Okay, this is the biggest number, which is 225 baht. So you will first write here 225 baht, followed by 180, and last is 120, because this is the smallest. Okay, so next, let's arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest. Okay, so which is the smallest number here? It is 120, followed by 180. The greatest number is 225. Okay, so that is comparing and ordering numbers from smallest to greatest and greatest to smallest. Okay, so let's proceed now to our topic. But before that, let's read first the vocabulary. Number 1, equal, equal. Number 2, not equal, not equal. 3, more than, more than. 4, less than, less than. 5, arrange, arrange. Okay, so these are the vocabulary for today. So let's proceed to our topic, which is math symbols used in comparing numbers. So for today, we will learn 4 math symbols. We have number 1, equal, equal. 2 is not equal, not equal. More than, and we have less than, less than. Okay, so this is the symbol of equal. This is not equal. This is more than, and last is less than. Okay, so let's learn them one by one. First is equal, equal. So equal is written as this symbol. Okay, this one. So when we use equal sign, okay, so we are going to use equal sign if the numbers are the same. Okay, again, if the numbers are the same, we are going to use equal sign. Okay, so let's see this example. So if we have here number 325 and 325. Okay, so if you are going to compare these numbers, they are the same, right? Okay, so you are going to use what symbol? Okay, equal symbol. So you can say that 325 is equal to 325. Okay, So again, if the numbers are the same, you are going to use equal sign. Okay, so let's see this another example. Let's compare the numbers on the t-shirts. So we have here 743 and the next t-shirt is 743 also. Okay, so let's compare the hundreds place. What is the number in hundreds place? Okay, so we have 7. Let's compare here to another number. Okay, so they are the same. Next, let's compare the tens also, which is the 4. Okay, so let's compare. Oh, they are the same. And let's compare the ones place, which is 3. Okay, so they are the same also. So what will you use here? What symbol will you use here? Okay, very good. You are going to use equal sign. Okay, so that is the equal symbol. Next symbol is not equal symbol. So not equal symbol is written as this one. Okay, so when we are going to use this not equal symbol, we are going to use not equal symbol if the numbers are not the same. Again, not same. So if the numbers are not the same, you are going to use not equal. Let's see this example. Okay, we have here 124 and 97. So if you are going to compare 124 and 97, is it the same or not the same? Okay, so they are not the same. So you are going to use the symbol not equal. Okay, so in sentence, you can say that 124 is not equal to 97. Okay, so that is the not equal symbol. Okay, so let's try this activity. So you're going to write equal sign if the numbers are equal and not equal sign if the numbers are not equal. So this is the first one. 354 and 355. If we're going to compare these numbers, are they equal or not equal? Okay, since they are not equal, we are going to write here not equal symbol, which is this one. Okay, how about the next one? Okay, we have here 567 and 567. The numbers are the same, so you are going to write here equal sign. Okay, next 815 and we have 815 again. So are they the same or not the same? Yes, very good. They are the same. So the correct answer here is equal sign. Okay, the last 472 and 562. Are they the same or not the same? The numbers are not the same, so you are going to write here not equal sign. Okay, so I hope you understand the equal sign and not equal sign. Okay, let's proceed to the third symbol, which is more than. So more than is written as this one, this symbol. Okay, so when we are going to use this more than, we are going to use more than symbol if the number is greater or bigger than the other. Let's have an example. 258 and we have 148. If we're going to compare the numbers 258 and 148, which number is the greater? Okay, the answer here is 258. So, you are going to face the biggest number. Okay, so the open part is facing the larger number or the greater number. Okay, and we have here the tip. This is what we call tip. Okay, the tip is facing the smallest number. The tip is facing the smaller number. So 258 is more than 148. Okay, because 258 is greater than 148. Next, okay, let's find the greater number here. Okay, so we have here 434. 434. And we have 267. And we have here 267. Okay, so if we are going to compare 434 to 267, which is the greater number? Okay, it is 434. So you are going to face the biggest or the bigger number. Okay, so again, the big mouth, it's big number. The big mouth, it's the big number. And the tip is facing the smaller number. The tip is facing the smaller number. Okay, so that is the more than symbol. Let's proceed to the last one, which is less than symbol. So less than is written as this one. Okay, so we will use less than symbol if the number is smaller than the other. Again, use less than symbol if the number is smaller than the other. Okay, so we have here an example, 510 and 580. Which is the bigger or the greater number? Is it 510 or 580? Okay, so since 580 is the bigger number, we are going to face. Okay, the big mouth face the greater number and the tip is facing the smaller number. We can say that 510 is smaller than 580. Okay, so another example. Let's find the smaller number. So we have here 267 and 434. Okay, if you're going to compare 267 and 434, which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller number? Okay, so the smaller number there is 267. Okay, so what should be the symbol here? Is it greater than or less than? Okay, the answer is less than. So again, the big mouth, it's the bigger number. And the tip, this one is the tip. The tip is facing the smaller number. Okay, so you are going to use less than symbol here. Let's try this activity. You're going to write this symbol if the number is more than, and less than symbol if the number is less than. Okay, the first one is, okay, so I answered already. 212 is less than 231. Okay, because 212 is smaller than 231, so you are going to use less than symbol. How about the next number? We have here 173 and 138. So if you are going to compare this one, what should be the symbol that we will put here? Is it more than or less than? The answer here is more than. Okay, so you are going to face the bigger number. Next, we have here 909 and 899. So, what's your answer here? Is it more than or less than? The answer here is more than. Again, the big mouth face or eats the bigger number or the greater number. And the tip is facing the smaller number. Okay, so let's have here the last one, 689. Let's compare to 590. What do you think is the bigger number here? Is it 689 or 590? Okay, so what should be the symbol that we will put here? Is it more than or less than? Okay, the answer is more than. Since 689 is the bigger number, you are going to face. You will face the bigger number. Okay, so that is the 4 symbols. Next, let's compare numbers. Okay, so let's proceed to your activity on page 26. So this is your exercise 1 and 2 on page 26. So you will write equal or not equal in each box. Letter A, 146, and we have what number is it? Okay, yes, compare 146 and this number. Sorry, I can't read this one because it's tasa time. So you're going to answer letter A. If the numbers are the same, you are going to answer equal. You will write here on the box. Okay, letter B. 500 plus 60 plus 3. So, if we are going to add this one, it is 563. So, if we will compare 563 to 492, that is, what's your answer there? What should be the symbol that we will put here? Is it equal or not equal? Okay, are the numbers equal or the same? No. So, you are going to write here not equal. Not equal sign. Letter C. 653. 600 plus 50 plus 3. Okay, so you will compare this one. Are they the same? Okay, since the numbers are the same, you are going to write equal sign here in the box. Letter D. 909. And we have here, what number is this? Okay, so you will answer letter D. Next, number 2. You will write also more than symbol, less than symbol, or equal symbol in each box. So letter A, 243. And what number is this? What number is this? Okay, so if this is 254, you will compare to 243. This is the bigger number, right? So, the answer here is less than. Again, you will face the bigger number. Letter B. If you will compare 403 and 401, are they the same? No, because 403 is greater. So, your answer there is more than symbol. Okay, letter C, 1000. Let's compare to this one. This is 999. Okay, so which is bigger, 1000 or 999? The bigger is 1000, so you will use more than symbol. Letter D, 362. If you will compare to 600 plus 0 plus 2, that is 602. The number 602 is the greater number. You will use less than symbol. Okay. Letter E, 487 and 784. Okay, the answer here is more than symbol. And letter F, 732. Let's compare to 700 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, so the numbers are the same. So what symbol should you put here? It is equal symbol. Very good. Okay, so that is your exercise 1 and 2. Let's proceed to your exercise 3 on page 26. Okay, still on page 26. So, you are going to use the words in the box to complete the sentences. So, you will write smaller than or greater than. Okay, letter A, 234 is blank 243. Since 234 is smaller, you will write here smaller than. Okay. Letter B, 565 is blank 652. Since 565 is a smaller number, you are going to write smaller than. Okay. Letter C, 970 is blank 907. 970 is greater than 907, so you will write here greater than. Letter D, 735 is blank 715. If you will compare 735 to 715, which is the greater number, 735, so you will write here greater than. Letter E, 691 is blank 688. 691 is greater than 688, so we will write here the word greater than. And letter F, 885 is blank 889. The answer there is smaller than. Okay, so please copy the spelling correctly. Okay, let's proceed to your exercise 4 on page 27. Exercise 4 on page 27. So you are going to color the flower with the greatest number orange. Okay, so letter A. Which is the greatest number here? The greatest number. Is it 436, 463, or 643? Okay, the answer here is 643. This is the greatest number, so you will color this one orange. Okay, you are going to color it with orange. Okay, you will color this one with orange color. Next, color the flower with the smallest number yellow. Okay, so you will color the smallest number with yellow color. So since 436 is the smallest number, you will color it with yellow. So this is yellow, and the biggest number or the greatest number is orange. This is orange and this is yellow. Okay, letter B. We have 885, 891, and 819. Which is the greatest number here? The greatest number is 891. So you will color this one orange color. Orange color. And we have 819. This is the smallest number. So you will color it with yellow. Yellow color. Again, so 819, you will color that one yellow. And 891, you will color it with orange. Orange. Okay. So, let's proceed to your last activity. Your exercise 5 on page 27. Exercise 5 on page 27. So, number 5, you will circle the greatest number. Underline the smallest number. Okay, so letter A. We have here numbers 505, 650, 550, and 555. Among these four numbers, which is the greatest number? Okay, so the greatest number here is 650. So you are going to encircle. You will circle. How about the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? You will underline. You will underline. Letter B. 231, 213, 314, and 423. Which is the greatest number? Okay, the greatest number there is 423, so you will encircle. And the smallest number is 213, so you will draw a line or underline. The next, letter C. 900, 899, 909, 890, and we have 908. Okay, so among these numbers, which is the greatest number? The greatest or the biggest number? The answer there is 909, so you will circle. Circle the number 909. And you will underline 899 because it is the smallest number. Letter D. 746, 786, 838, 786 and 873. Okay, which is the biggest or greatest number here? Okay, it is 873. So you will circle. And which is the smallest number? The answer is 746. So you will underline. Okay. So number 6. You will arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest to the greatest. Okay, so you will first write the smallest number here in the box. Okay, so we have here number 674, 564, and 647, which is the smallest number here. Okay, so the smallest number there is 564, so you will write in the first box. Followed by 647, and the greatest number there is 674. Letter B. We have here numbers 230, 328, and 309. So which is the smallest number? Okay, the smallest number there is 230, followed by 309, and greatest number is 328. Number 7. You will arrange also the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Greatest to the smallest. Okay, so which is the greatest number here? Okay, the answer is 927. You will write in the first box, followed by 792. Next, 709, 697, and the smallest number is 279. Okay, so this is all for today, grade 2 students. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you will finish your activities on your book. So, see you again on our next class. Goodbye, everyone.